Hi guys, today I'm going to be making blindfolded slime. So what you will need is I'm going to use glitter glue. This is from Hobbycraft. Then I have a blindfold, a mixing tool, I'm just using a pencil, your activator, which is borax solution I'm using, and a container. So I'm gonna tip it up a bit just so you can see that I've got the blindfold on. This is gonna be hard. Okay, right. Oh my god. I've never done this before, so it's probably going to go all over, right. Sorry if my hair's a mess in a blindfold. Okay, right, let's do it. Oh god. Right. So if you can hear banging, it's my hamster, like, in a ball. Is it coming out? Let me just move this down a bit. I don't know if it's coming out or not. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god, it's just gone on my finger. Okay, right. Oh my god, this is harder than it looks. I don't know if it's coming out or not. Is it even going in the blooming container? Okay, I think that's enough because I think I've used a lot. Okay, right. That just goes there, right. Yes, it's my borax. Oh my god. I don't know if that's a lot, but we're gonna mix it. Oh my god, I think I used quite a lot there. Because I'm mixing already. Oh my god. This is horrendous. I put way too much borax in. Oh my god. This is harder than it actually looks. Because egg leaf slime is so weird. Texture's so weird. Like, feeling the size of it, I think that I've hardly put any glue in. Like, so. I think this is done. This is not sticky, but it's overactivated. Okay, I'm going to take my blindfold off, like. Oh my god, this is so small. Can you see the glitter? It's like iridescent glitter. This is so small. I've like spilt it all over. Still, I've put so much borax in. Oops. This went so weird. This is like basically putty. This is weird. Oh my god. Alright. So basically I'm just gonna pour the glue in, but I'm not gonna put my blindfold on. I'm just because I want to add more to it. If this will even come out. I actually don't think this is gonna come out. My hamster is there, by the way. Oh, it just came out on my desk. Woohoo. This is like so hard to get out. How did I even get it out the last time? Oh, ew, that looks disgusting. Like, there's so much in it, but it actually won't come out. It's very thick glue. And it overactivates quick. Okay, we'll add it to this bit. I want to add sticky to it. I want to add it sticky to it just so it gets, like, slimish. Oh, it smells like nail polish, the glue. Okay, this is getting slimy, kind of. It'll just go back to the overactivate in a bit. So I might try in next video, because I do have clear glue, might either do a clear glue slime or a white glue slime blindfolded. But that was actually quite fun to do. And yeah, I'll show you at ASMR now. Let me just get it the right consistency. Will you stop banging around, Dottie? She's so loud. So this isn't the best slime. It's actually putty, not slime. So it's good for a putty. You gotta admit. Okay. So yeah, that is my blindfolded slime challenge video. Thanks for watching, and this is very bad slime, but yeah, bye!